Hi friends, today we're going to do Module 4, Lesson 30. Here's our objective. Represent pictorial decomposition and composition addition stories to 10 with 5 group drawings and equations with no unknown. Let's get started. All right, the first game that we're going to play is Flash 5. I'm going to have you show me a number, and then we're going to add 5 to that number. So let's get started with 1. Good, now add 5. What is 1 plus 5? 6. Ding, ding, ding. Good job. Show me 3. Add 5. 3 plus 5 equals 8. Good job. Show me 2. 2 plus 5 equals 7. Good job. Show me 5. Add 5. Good. 5 plus 5 makes 10. Great job. All right. Pretend that you're linking cubes if you have them, or follow me on the board, but pretend that your cubes are pears on the tree. Yummy, yummy pears. So how many do we have all together before we've started? Good. 5 and 5 makes 10. 5 of the pears were in the tree. They were not ready. And 5 of the pears were on the ground. They were ready to be eaten. See if you can fill in my number bond to match this story. Good. What's one of my parts? 5. And how many on the ground? 5. And how many pears all together? Good. 10. Let's write a number sentence for this. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Great job. Oh no! One of the pears fell off the tree. How can we fix our number sentence or our number bond to match? Can you help me? All right, I'm going to get out my eraser. Let's see. I'm going to erase my parts. I think my parts have changed. How many pears in the tree? 4. How many pears on the ground? 6. So we went down from 5. We went down by 1 less, and then we went 1 more for this part. So 4 and 6 makes 10. I'm going to change my number sentence to match that. So we had 5 and 5, and then we changed it to 4 and 6. More on the ground now than in the tree. Great job. All right, I'm going to send this out so that you can play this song, Best Friends That Make 10, and see if you can complete this art project for me this week. Super exciting. All right, let's go ahead and listen to the story. Remember, in math class, we're going to draw circles to help us solve the problem. Eli had 10 beans. He had 6 brown beans and 4 red beans. Can you help me fill in my number bond? How many beans did he have all together? 10. How many brown beans? 6. How many red beans? 4. Can you help me with my number sentence? Remember, for this number sentence, we have to look at what comes first. And this one, the whole comes first. And then we have the parts and the parts. Good. All right, so what is the whole? How many do we have all together? 10. How many of the brown? 6. How many red? 4. 10 is the same as 6 plus 4. Or you can say 10 equals 6 plus 4. Great job. All right, now we have our 10 frame to help us out drawing the 5 group way. So we're going to draw some dots on the top And then we're going to draw some dots on the bottom. How many yellow dots do I have? 2. How many red dots do I have? 8. How many altogether? 10. You got it because the 10 frame is completely full. Let's write the number sentence the other way. 10 is the same as 2 plus 8. Great job practicing those number pairs to 10. All right, we've got our problem set, and we've got 3 more problems to do. You've got this. Ricky has 10 space toys. Those are pretty cool. He has 7 rockets and 3 astronauts. Let's fill in our number sentence to match the picture and fill in our number bond to match the picture. How many rockets? 7. How many astronauts? 3. And then what are our parts up here? Again, 7 and 3. Good job. Take a look and tell me how many animals we have all together before we break them up into different parts. Good. All together we have 10 animals. What is one of our parts? Pigs. Good. Let's start with the pigs. How many pigs do I have? 4. How many sheep do I have? 6. What would my number sentence be? 4 plus 6 equals 10. Good job. Last problem, friends, we've got some giraffes and zebras. Help me fill in my number sentence. How many giraffes do I have? 6. How many zebras do I have? 4. How many animals all together? 10. Good. Let's write the number sentence backwards. 10 is the same as 6 plus 4. Good. And read this number sentence with me. 6 plus 4 equals 10. Great job, friends. Thanks for joining me.